In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative audio in Runway. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn written text into a clean, natural-sounding voiceover using the built-in audio tool. First, look to the left sidebar and click the tool icon to open your creative options. At the top of the workspace, select Audio. This switches you into the generative audio view, so your focus is entirely on writing and voicing your script. It's a simple layout designed to keep you moving quickly from idea to narration. Now, type the script you want to turn into audio. Think of this like a voiceover you'd hand to a narrator. Keep sentences concise so they're easy to understand on the first listen, and use punctuation to guide pacing, commas for brief pauses, periods for full stops. If a word has a tricky pronunciation, add a hint in parentheses right next to it. Write numbers the way you want them spoken, such as 2026 instead of 2026, and spell out acronyms if clarity matters. If tone is important, you can include subtle cues in brackets like softly, confident, or whisper to nudge the delivery. These small touches help the AI read your script the way you imagined it. Below the script field, you'll find voice previews. Take a moment to listen and compare. Pick a voice that fits your message, something warm and friendly for tutorials, or crisp and neutral for product explainers. As you preview, pay attention to clarity, pacing, and how the voice handles complex words. If your script includes specific names or brand terms, glance back and refine the wording so the pronunciation comes through cleanly. The goal is to match the voice and writing style so they work together. When you're happy with both the script and the selected voice, head to the bottom left and click Generate. Runway will process your text and synthesize the narration. Give it a moment to finish. You'll see it complete the generation, and your audio will be ready to use. That's all there is to it. Quick recap: open the tool from the left sidebar and choose Audio at the top. Type your script and preview the available voices to select the best fit, then click Generate at the bottom left to create your voiceover. With a clear script and the right voice, you'll get polished results fast. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with generative audio in Runway.